ये मसाजर हमने मंगवाया था फुट मसाज के लिए, द मसाजर। There are lot of packages. See, it is this big, perfect. Yeah, foot massager, not for medical use, not for medical use. These are strapped to the legs, foot, thighs, and sound of unboxing. This is the sound of unboxing, and I got this. Scan me how to use the product. Japanese tech. This is some user guide. Inside this, a charger. Let's see the charger. Okay, let's see the charger. This type of charger. The plug, and this is the charger. So long enough. Okay, open it up. These are 2 pieces for each leg because you have 2 legs. What do we get? This. What is this? Open this. 2 cables connected by this left, right. This controller. These are the modes. Okay, see this. This is the controller. Here comes the reading: power, mode, and heat. These are 3. This is not in the. This was the unboxing, and you use this on your calves or thighs, foot, etc. Also now your arms, like you do this and you wrap it around, and then you use those controllers to give you a massage. And the charger goes here. This charger goes up like this, and then you remove it. This is called the air pressure hose, so it really puts the air pressure in those pads. So this will automatically shut off after 20 minutes. This looks good.